Hey friends, okay, so today we are going to learn this beautiful, simple, easy beginner eye makeup tutorial. So the very first step is priming your eyelid. You can use any concealer or eyeshadow base. I have already prepped my lid and today I am going in with Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. This is, I think, the very first look I'm doing it this palette. I really love the color tones. So for this look I'm going in with the shade Swarm. It is a light yellowish shade and I'm just applying it all over my lid. I've also used a fluffy blending brush. This is from Morphe and I like Morphe brushes. Personally, they are really good quality. And I'm just packing the eyeshadow all over my lid. Then I'm going in with the shade Keeper. It's a bit darker than the yellow tone, but still it has got that mustard hue, and I'm just packing it all over my lid on top of that light shade. This is just to give a more transition and color to the lid. So it is super easy. You just use these two shades and just pack it, nothing else. You can blend it in to and fro motions just like wiper of a windscreen. And then I am going in with the same shade in my lower lid using a flat brush. Now I am using flat brush because I wanted to give an extension to the outer eye, just like a wink, and try to blend it towards the outer eye just to give a nice shape to your lid. It depends if you want to do that or not. I like it. Otherwise you can just blend this eyeshadow in your lower lash line. Once I have packed this shade all over my lid, I am going in and this eyeshadow in your lower lash line. Once I have packed this shade all over my lid, I am going in with the white shade from this palette. Now, whenever I buy a palette, I try to look for a white shade, whether it is a matte shade or a shimmer shade. Personally, I feel a palette is incomplete without white shade because I try to highlight my brow area and my inner corner using this white shade. It really gives that nice bright look to your eyes. So that's what I'm doing currently in my eye look. And then I went in with this beautiful shimmer shade. This is the last shade, I'm telling you. Just pack it over your lid using the brush. You can also use your finger to pack the shade, and it has got that golden beautiful hue. This eye look overall is pretty easy and I think the colors are really beautiful. It can go with any dress. And then I just applied some kohl in my waterline because I think with gold I wanted to add some black to give some contrast. If you would have used nude eye pencil, I think it wouldn't give that contrast. It won't look that nice. Now I just curled my lashes and I used Maybelline Sky High mascara on my lid. Now if you're a beginner and you don't want to go with lashes, you can always end the look here, because look, without even falsies, this eye look is looking so pretty and so beautiful. But I personally love lashes, so I ended up applying lashes to show you how this look is looking in lashes as well. Look, with lashes it's looking so pretty. These are the falsies from She Glam. I'm obsessed with this look. It is so easy. If you love this look, then do subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments if this look was easy to follow, and if yes, which eye look you want to see next. And I will see you in my next video.